Alright, so the map with the history is here.
Yeah.
Direction
Oh, there's a...
A3.
We are right in the
And look at
the
this
Anse-à-l'Orme branch.
REM stop.
Prochaine station, des sources.
Yeah, man.
And look, there's a wild dog.
First ever train to Anse-à-l'Orme with passengers, eh?
Well, no, it's not the first one actually.
Well, from Brussels, yes.
It's the first one from Brussels, I think.
Yeah, but
And we now,
it's the first one from Yard Central too.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
And now we will experience the new like separate tracks.
Yep. The new bridge trucks. Or however we call it. So yeah. I wonder where is Pat because you can
He's
join.
sleeping.
Yeah, you can join his live stream, but he's not here.
He's very late.
He's not here because he's sleeping. He got cooked.
And I see the separating tracks.
Yes, yeah, man. Over there. Yeah, man. That's one.
Ah,
awesome.
yeah, man. Ah, yeah, man.
Bad
I know
phrase.
that's the switch tracks. Okay.
Yes, yeah, man. That's so cool. Now, here
coming.
it is, the moment of history.
Yeah. Now we're slowing down because we're gonna switch tracks, I guess.
Yeah. I guess the next. Oh, yeah, I see it, I guess. So over there.
On va
Yep.
changer de voie là.
And then
Over
there's
there.
a wind turbine.
Are we gonna go by the bridge? Yeah, man.
Out, on out. Voilà, c'est fait. On change
Yeah,
de
man.
direction.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Moment of history.
Tabarnak.
Let's go. Yeah, man.
We're gonna be on the new bridge.
Yeah. New Anse-à-l'Orme Bridge. And here's the A2, I guess.
Yeah, and for you too also.
Ah, yeah, man. This is so cool. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Ouais.
It's so nice to see. Look how it's nice.
Yeah, for real. This is so cool.
Sorry about that.
Alright, so yeah, we're on the Anse-à-l'Orme branch.
And for the A2.
Yeah.
It's going to be never two tracks to go to the airport.
And we're gonna pass over the highway that will separate also the tracks for the A2 and A3.
Yep.
And then we're gonna reach this station.
Yes. It's gonna be my
Et
first
ça
ever
fait
visit
drôle,
to.
hein?
It's gonna be my first
Avant,
ever
on
visit of
voyageait
the
là, puis
source.
à ce temps, on va voyager ici, puis là. Ouais.
Alright, so yeah, here's the sign on the Anse-à-l'Orme branch.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Here's the turn.
Ouais.
Yeah, man. Moment of
Why are we
history.
slowing down? There's no like big curve.
Yeah, the curve. The curve to the Anse-à-l'Orme. And here's the Montagne.
Yeah.
There's a diner.
First ever ride on this lane. This.
Ouais.
Oh, you can see the source sign. Yeah, man, this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
There's another junction for the airport.
Oh yeah, man. This is
Oh,
cool.
this is so cool.
Yeah.
Now we headed for the highway.
Yeah, man, so beautiful, eh? It's like the rails between the forest. It's so beautiful.
Now we're gonna be
Approaching.
aérienne.
Yeah, approaching the source.
No, this is like a bit far still.
Okay. But we're already close.
Yeah. Well, at this, I think this is the like industrial zone.
Oh, this is so cool. No way. First I will drive it.
And
There's a bridge.
yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. No way. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Can't
Ouais.
believe it. Can't believe we're actually riding it right now.
It is a plant.
Yeah. It's cool, like because we're like between the forest, between some
Going in the forest.
buildings and stuff.
Going in the forest.
Oh.
That's like mine.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, man.
Yeah. And there's
And there's
still
some
the
lights. Yeah, there's some lights. Yeah, man. Oops, my focus is on a bit.
Je sais pas.
Oh, there it
Ah. Ça, c'est pour aller vers l'aéroport, ça.
There it is. The E2.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Marie Queer. I saw the sign.
J'ai hâte à voir ce tronçon-là, moi, là.
That's for the
J'ai hâte
airport.
à voir ça, moi.
What is that?
Yeah, man.
Even
A2 airport. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Haha, yeah, man.
And there's the highway.
coming soon. I see the airport.
Oh, cool. And the one train.
It's packed.
Ouais.
Patrick, did you saw him?
No.
I guess he wasn't on this train. He didn't start his stream yet
Yeah.
because he's sleeping. And even if he will be at Anse-à-l'Orme, Zane will saw him.
Ok, juste.
I can't actually believe it.
My device is hot.
We're not going to switch track to the third track. What's that
The,
Alright. We're going straight. I wonder what we're gonna pass. Maybe it's some train yards.
Fairview Point Fair.
Maybe some train yards. Maybe something. Maybe cool.
Oh.
I'm going to go to park.
My device is getting hot too, eh? But I don't really care. I just want to film a video.
Well, this is like a kind of long distance. Oh, there it is. Alright, so this is a long distance between the source and Wolfram, but now we're approaching the source.
Yep. This is so cool. I see it.
Yeah.
It's over there. The source. Yeah, man. The first ever run train from Brussels is approaching the source.
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, some rail screeching.
Yeah, man. This is so cool.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
I wonder how high is Kirkland.
Well, I guess it's a height.
Direction. Des sources.
This
Yeah,
is-
man.
Yeah.
This sauce. It's this sauce. It's this sauce.
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.
Let's showcase the desert station.
No, not yet. We're going to Anse-à-l'Orme directly.
Yes, but I want to just show it.
When I go to
Et pas
the...
voyant.
There it is, the source. Yeah, man.
Let's go all the way
That's
to
so cool.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah.
Yes, that's where we're going.
I saw it a bit.
Really cool.
It's
really proud of coming up on it.
Yeah, it's packed as hell. Holy crap. It's packed as hell.
Regardez sur le côté, on
It's
voit
really packed.
dans les portes.
Not gonna lie.
Packed like
And the new station stuff. DSO. Yeah, man.
Alright, we're going to Fairview Point Claire.
Yeah. Let's hear the announcement.
Yeah.
Sur la prochaine station. Il y a un coteau là-bas, ouais, bravo.
Direction A3. Anse-à-l'Orme.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Let's hear it. Yeah,
Prochaine
man.
station. Fairview Point Claire.
Oh, yeah, man.
The English accent, wow.
Yeah.
Fairview.
Let's go
Have you Point Claire?
Oh yeah, Fairview Point Claire.
Oh, look.
Ouais.
I can't actually believe it.
Yeah.
We are riding down to the branch.
Well, yeah, it opened.
Together with Vince.
Yeah, I'm here with the street guy. AKA Dan.
AKA Transform 101.
Yeah.
Well, it's sad that Pat didn't come, but I guess he will come today.
Yeah.
But yeah, I wish he came.
Well, someday.
I guess he will come today, but later in the day. He said he will come when it's quieter. I guess he mean like when there's less people.
Yeah.
But we're gonna ride the first train plus meet up with Butts. We will try it.
Do you want to go to the mall?
Oh, this is a cool bridge here.
Oh yeah, this is a curve to the highway.
Shoulder doors round.
That's cool.
Yeah, I know.
And yeah, here's the curve. We're gonna ride it like the highway. Passing over the highway, yeah man. Oh, do you like Maxi? Eh? There's Maxi.
Provigo is better.
Yeah. We're gonna talk about shops or the REM.
Oh, there was a Toys R Us there, but I think it closed down.
Why?
I don't know, but maybe low business. Well, yeah,
Oh,
bankruptcy.
wow, this is a big no here.
Yeah, it's a CF Ferry Point Claire.
I guess this is.
Like
Oh yeah, there's the station.
And the Ferry Point Claire is the only station with the bus terminus underneath the REM tracks.
Oh, cool. And here it is, the new Ferry Point Claire bus terminal.
Deux stations.
All right, there it is, the new bus terminus.
Station. Fairview Point Claire.
Ferry Point Claire.
Yeah, man. So cool.
What the heck? Why do I say
Les portes s'ouvriront sur le
Oh my
côté.
god, there's a lot of people.
from here?
Huh?
There's a lot of people.
Yes.
Yeah, mates.
Lots. Chaps. It says PTC. Yeah, man. That's so cool. Oh, there's a bird in there. Yeah, man. Alright, so next station is Kirkland.
Kirkland, my favorite station on this branch.
Yeah, mine too. Mine is Kirkland and the source, I guess.
Yeah, also like Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah. Well, this full branch is cool
I know.
Yeah.
because it has the green walls on the stations. That's cool,
Mm-hmm.
like the grass and stuff.
Oh look, the new bus terminal.
Yeah,
Direction.
and there's new STM bus stops.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah, man.
Prochaine station. Kirkland.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, man. English accent, eh?
No.
Well, a
that's-
bit. A bit.
Yeah, a bit.
We're going like between the forest and the highway. This is so cool.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
yeah, man.
Bye bye, train.
We can say that we're the official testers of the Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah. Well, not really because we didn't get the invite.
Yes, but we still entered the first ever train. Oh, Provigo!
Oh yeah, man, the one that's still standing.
We also have Provigo at Bonaventure.
Oh yeah. I went there.
Cool, eh?
And there's look at this long distance with the highway. That's
And I see Kirkland Station.
Oh yeah, me too.
See Kirkwood.
Oh, we got a bridge passing right.
Kirkland, the Costco company.
We got a bridge passing underneath. Yeah, man. And there's a Walmart in there. Oh, my phone is getting hot, eh?
Yeah, me too.
But there's still one station left. So yeah.
Well, two.
Well, we're almost almost at Kirkland, so we're gonna come to that one.
Okay.
Ottawa getting you. We're gonna go to Ottawa, yeah, man. By the way, I just back from my Toronto trip. This is actually cool. I'm gonna show Vince all of my photos
Okay.
after the video as well. And also, Zane is waiting for us at
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Anse-à-l'Orme. And this is the high station on the REM network. And there it is.
In the famous Cineplex Kirkland.
And there it is, Kirkland Station. So cool.
Yeah, the highest station.
On the REM network.
And the deepest is Edouard Petit.
Yep. You're right, mate. Oh, this is a moment of history here.
Oh, I see STM bus.
Station Kirkland.
Kirkland.
Kirkland, yeah, man. Highest station on the REM network.
Yep.
This is so
I
cool.
wonder how many
S'ouvriront
feet
sur
it
le
is.
côté droit.
How feasible is it? So actually, Pat recorded an elevator ride on this station and it's very high. Like you said, the highest elevator is
Well,
I don't know how pity, but it's high speed, and he meant not high speed, not high speed elevator, like that every single REM station uses. Not the Oh, I see a water or something. Water tower.
police.
Cool. They're gonna make us pay a fine. Yeah. Alright, we're departing Kirkland. Let's hear the announcement.
Direction A3. Anse-à-l'Orme.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Prochaine station Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah, man.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Yeah, man. Moment of history. This is so cool. Wait, there's some rails in there. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why. Yeah, maybe this is the REM trucks.
Maybe. I already see Anse-à-l'Orme station.
Oh yeah, me too. This is a moment of history.
And I see the garage. Well, it's not a garage. It's a maintenance center.
Yeah. It's actually cool that we can see the garage.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see our transmission trucks.
Well, no, it's just gonna go to a platform, then it's gonna go reverse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so there it is, the Anse-à-l'Orme station, our last station for today.
Yeah. And then after this is the airport, Marie Curie, and the airport are the only one left.
Yeah.
I wonder what.
And then
Okay,
I
we're
guess
gonna
the G
straight.
line.
Wait, platform. Oh, this platform right here is interesting because like it's between the platform and the mezzanine.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man. Moment of history.
Anse-à-l'Orme.
Today.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, it's so
Les portes
crowded.
s'ouvriront sur le côté gauche.
So crowded. All right.
Alright, mates. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a good weekend as well. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bye, everyone.